Hi, my name's Jamie, I run Pumpkin Freak. Today I'm going to be carving Moon Knight onto a foam pumpkin. Now if you live in America, you can get these things pretty easily from companies like Funkins, or most craft stores will have them on the lead up to Halloween. However, where I live in the UK, you can't buy these things, so I have to make them myself.
Oh yeah, I'm finna pop, yeah baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah.
Now I'll go into more detail on how I make the pumpkins and the mould in another video, but for this one I'm just going to be looking at how I've carved it. So I'm going to be using some slightly different tools for this one. This is a rotary tool that chiropodists use for grinding nails down. It's got a whole load of different drill bits which go into it. Some people like to use Dremels, they're quite popular when carving foam pumpkins. What I'm first going to do is print a picture of my design out. So when you're selecting a design, you're looking for anything that has a good contrast between light and shade. So this is perfect for that. I've not need to alter the contrast on the image at all. So I'm now gonna flip that over. I'm gonna get some washable PVA glue or children's craft glue. I'm then gonna give a thin coating over the back of the design and glue that to my pumpkin. I'm then going to either wait for that to dry, or sometimes I use a hairdryer to speed that process up. Once that's dry, I'm then going to use this is a nucleating bore attachment which I've got on this. I'm then going to use that to start to cut out the shapes that the light are going to make on the pumpkin. Now although they're using different tools, the principle of this is exactly the same as normal pumpkin carving. You're going to be carving deeper to let more light through on the areas you want to be brighter, and then work backwards towards the darker areas.
Oh yeah, I'm finna pop, yeah baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM, every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush, that's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like the bar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Yeah, I'm so seasoned, bitch, I could do it all, yeah. I can sell water to a fish. I can tell your girl, gon' bend it over quick. She gon' hit a flip. Tell her she can take it if she want it. Bet you all the money that I got up in my pocket, she gon' hit a lick. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, you ain't gotta ask. You can tell, you can smell YSL. When I step into the office with my clientele, I can tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You so thirsty for attention in the desert, you could find a well, alive and well. I'm fly as hell, yeah, okay. My fan base like ICP, and tell Al, give me RESPICT. I like my leaf water hot, that's no ICT. My IQ look like I'm out of a Ivy League. My swag drip like I'm coming out of Ivy. Please, my shot across between CP3 and then white BD. Yeah, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, no. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Spit 'em up in a minute, taking 'em. I'm just playing.